Once you dehydrate your first pineapple, you'll wonder why you haven't invested in the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro sooner. The Dehydrate function uses Element IQ to combine low and stable heat with maximized airflow to evenly dry out foods without overcooking. From fruits to vegetables and even meat for your favorite type of jerky, you can do it all in your Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. For the best results, set your rack up to position 3 and insert the mesh basket. Today, I'm making dehydrated pineapple. First, slice the pineapple to your desired shape. Next, arrange the pieces with even spaces between slices. Use the confirm dial to set dehydrate on the LCD to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll see a 12-hour minimum, but you can adjust this time for up to 72 hours. To activate, hit the Start-Stop button and you'll hear, oh, and be sure to insert baking paper inside the mesh basket when working with foods of strong color to avoid staining. For marinated jerky, catch any dropping liquid by inserting the roasting tray on the wire rack on position 8. You can use the convection button to choose between no convection, convection, and super convection. As you switch between the options, the set cooking temperature will recalibrate to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. Use the temperature and time dials to adjust the corresponding settings. You can start-stop the cycle at any time. The Rotate Remind feature can also be used with this function, meaning the oven will remind you to rotate your food so that it dehydrates more evenly. Once your dehydrate cycle is complete, the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro will alert you. Carefully remove your perfectly dehydrated pineapple slices from the tray and allow them to cool before enjoying a healthy and sweet afternoon treat. And what you'll love about the Dehydrate function is the magnetic auto eject feature that works with this cooking mode. Basically, when the wire rack is inserted into rack position 3 or 4, it will automatically eject halfway out of the oven when opening the door, so you can easily remove your food. Make sure you open the door slowly when the wire rack is in this position to prevent the rack from ejecting too quickly. Okay, now, if you've fallen in love with dehydrating, you may want to consider buying some extra baskets, which means you can make more food in one go. The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro can fit a total of 4 air frying dehydrating baskets at one time. You can purchase these at Breville.com.